Morning everybody. Today we're going to make our veggie baking activity, and you're going to need a cucumber and some carrots and a slice of bread. I've already cut up all my pieces and let me show you what I've done so far. Okay, so we have some carrot strips for the roof. Put that on top. There we go, 2 pieces for the roof, and a third to complete it. And some cucumber for the side of the building. And there you go. Can you see our lovely house this morning? We've got a triangle for the roof, and we've got a square for the building, and the carrots are orange and the cucumbers are green. And somebody would like to say good morning to everybody. It's Mr. Pipsqueak. Here we go. There. Say good morning, Mr. Pipsqueak. Pipsqueak is eating his veggies this morning. He's got lettuce and he's got some carrots. Hey, Mr. Pipsqueak. Bye-bye, everyone.